let's talk about actual game, actual components that will basically make all the work here. First of all, we need some kind of component that will be like display our icon, yeah, and everything will happen on GameScene. So this class something like icon view. It will be responsible for icon displaying. Yep. And something like that. Icon view icon. This kind of relationship. And also we'll need field view. Class field view. Field view will display current field. Current field, it will display current field, so basically field view will have one of many icon view, and also field view will have state definitely, and field view will have link to config also. Config. Maybe icon view should have link to config for displaying, to have knowledge how different icon should looks like. Okay, what else? Orders. Yeah, we should have something like order view. Class order view responsible of displaying order, of displaying order, and order view should have link on order from config. Yes, basically. So I need order. What else I need? I need something like order view controller that will have links to all order views. So we should have this class order view controller, it responsible for displaying orders, basically. For displaying orders, we have orders, so it should have a link to this, definitely for this, for order view controller. controller should have link on the state. I'm not sure about config, maybe 2, but for now that's the base, that's the base architecture for our order and field view. Okay, maybe I should create new file because it became too big. GameScene 1 VSD. What it should do? Okay, we need have input from user. Yeah, so we need input controller class. It will be responsible for catching input from device. Yeah, from device. Depends on platform. Depends on the platform. For example, we playing on mobile or we playing like on the web. Maybe it's too much, but I prefer to do it in that way. Okay, and we need some kind of thing, yeah, some kind of essential class that will be responsible by the grabbing. We just take this, we should take this icon and pull it and merge it to different if it's possible. So that's our main class. I will call it like grabber because I like this name. Grabber. So it's responsible for the movement of icons and merging. And all these classes I should be like mono behavior. Yeah, mono behavior. Okay, all these classes mono behaviors. I mentioned that. What kind of relationship they have? We have like input controller, and he has link. No, grabber. Grabber should have link to the input controller. And grabber will send events to field view. Yeah. Send events after merge or spawn new icon. Yeah, grabber should also be responsible for spawning new icons from, for example, if we double tap on this kind of icon, it should spawn you somewhere on the field. Okay, and also before that, grabber make call to logic. Logic like call when merge or spawn happened. happened. Okay. What else? What else we should do? What else we should do? Oh, so we have some kind of this behavior. Remove icons. Remove icons. For that we need to have maybe new file. GameScene to ESD. Okay, class. We will create something like remove controller. Remove icon controller. Icon controller. Manages icon removal from the field. From the field. For to be able to do that, he should have like link to the state. Definitely. Yeah. So we kind of have remove controller. He will or it will display like this icon. We'll listen the if player tapping the remove button, and we'll make to the call to the logic to remove the icon from the field when it should happen. It's like okay. Call we should somehow to display it. So remove icon controller will make call to the logic. Call when icon being removed. Yeah, something like that. What else? And I forget to mention we have such kind of behavior when we spawn icons. Each spawner has like capacity. It enables just spawn some amount of icons, and that amount should be configured in config, and every time we spawn an icon we decrease the amount capacity and decrease the energy here. Yeah, energy here. So how to do that? We should create class like recharge controller. Recharge controller. Recharge controller. Manages what you manage reward. No, not reward. Recharge. Maybe manages icon recharge mechanics when spawner capacity became 0 or reach 0. Okay, to be able to do that he should have link to the state, and also make like recharge controller calls to the logic. Okay, call when spawner capacity became 0. Yeah, it will also just spawn like this timer somewhere on the spawner icon here and here, depends what kind of them reach 0 capacity. Yeah, and also it should make like make call, make some call to top panel. Event, maybe send event to update panel. What I mean when we spawn some icon which spend 1 energy or more, maybe 2, or depends, and this value should be decreased on the top panel. Okay. So what else? Okay, we have well done pop-up or reward pop-up. It happened when we completed the room and we receive some kind of icon reward, and this icon's rewards should be displayed somehow and user should be able to collect it. How to do that? We will create class reward controller. And what we will do, how to okay, manages a reward accrual by user, my user. So it should make like a reward controller. We should make call to logic, call to give reward, and it also should have link to the state. Definitely should have link to the state. So before that, reward was somehow written to the state. Here it was written to the state, so user know about this reward, and when user backs to the GameScene, he should be able to receive that reward basically on state. Yeah, okay. What else? We should top panel, I suppose. Top panel and info pop-up. Our next class, that should be, I suppose it will be in new file, name GameScene 3. Okay, class top panel. Top panel responsible for top panel displaying displaying what? Stars and energy. Energy. Yeah. Okay. For that purposes, it should have a link to the state. What else? Info pop-up. This thing, like info pop-up. And I also mentioned it should be mono behavior, definitely. Mono behavior. Okay. Class info pop-up. It should be mono behavior too, and its main responsibility displaying of icons hierarchy. Yeah. Here we have icons hierarchy, and it should be presented to user in info pop-up. Yeah. For that purposes, info pop-up should have link to the config. I don't think he needs some kind of state. It doesn't change state, it doesn't depend on state, just config. Yeah. No? Should should work now. Should make some kind of line. Doesn't matter. Okay. Maybe some. Maybe something like this. Nope. Yeah. Okay. Mono behavior. What else? I suppose it's all about GameScene. In next video we will talk about lobby. It will be much more shorter video. Not a lot of things happening in the lobby.